Hey, it's Lee, and welcome to Hyperspeed 3D Printing. And welcome to another 3D printing video, and also a build video along the way. I recently found this blank Prusa i3 Smart LCD holder. So in Tinkercad, I custom designed my letters, created them as a hollow, and sunk it into the plastic in Tinkercad, and then printed it out, which took over 4 hours to print, nearly. And then I had some puffy paint left over, so I put white puffy paint in here because my 3D printer is not capable of printing in 2 colours at the moment. And also downloaded the dial for the 3D printer. This was printed in silver no name generic PLA plastic, the short version. This was printed in my favourite bronze green PLA, printed out quite nicely and shiny. This version comes with only 2 screws to hold the smart wrap display screen in, and the clip comes with supports here which you have to cut off yourself. On Prusa's version there is 2 extra screws up here, just printed in 10% infill, which you probably didn't need it really, and 2 perimeters printed at 0.2 layer height. And then I printed out these 2, the LCD screen holder for the back bit. This is going on one of my old machines, my P3 Steel. So if you check out on my other YouTube videos and try and find the P3 Steel frame, it's the one with all the triangles that built into the frame itself. It looks like Prusa, but I've upgraded myself. So we're going for grey and green, which is a nice combination. We have the smart LCD screen, a bit dusty. And before you install this into this, you have to take that off here. So what we'll do is turn it over. This is the part where it goes on the LCD screen. So we'll move the case out the way. Nice purple and green, a bit like Green Goblin. So it slides on here. And it should be flush with the SD card, not the micro SD card, but an ASD card. This is the Mark III version. Spot holders, if you're looking for the smart spot holders for it, they all fit. I also got some screws. You have to screw these very slowly first into plastic, put it in slowly and then take it back out and put the screw back in so it creates a thread on the inside. And now we put the screen inside here. Might slide this back across. That one's in place practically. And it just takes a little bit of push. And make sure the LCD screen's underneath the thing at the top of here. Fits quite nicely. Proves you've got all your settings right on your 3D printer when things fit. And then we'll put the 2 screws in. Which my screwdriver is magnetic, which helps. So you put that one in there. As I said before, make sure you turn the screw very slowly to avoid splitting the plastic. And put the other screw in here. That's done. So we've done the screws, we've done the supports, Mark III, and this is the blank LCD screen holder, and last but not least, the dial. And that's it. All done. Next you'll see this on my P3 steel frame once I get it out of the closet. Thanks for watching and stay subscribed. Now, wasn't that an interesting YouTube video? Happy New Year to everybody out there for 2020. And don't forget, when you sign in the date, put 2020. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button down below. And thanks to the new subscribers who stay subscribed. There'll be plenty more videos to come for this year. I've got some new parts to put on an old printer which I'll be upgrading, and I'll be showing you along the way. And don't forget to like, share all over the place, and happy 3D printing.